Pasalubong from Gaza. Let's see what's inside. Squid chicharon. Wow. Oh, loaf bread. Wow. Another hopia. And of course, the iconic pastel of Vandit. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we'll be eating some of the Gasa by Vandit mga food. The most popular pastel. Ayan, I want to taste this. The first time na nagbigay sila ng maraming products nila ay last month. And this month, pumunta dito mismo yung may-ari sa bahay namin. Kasi ano siya, magkabarkada kasi sila ni Papa since elementary and high school. So yun, nag-vacation siya dito sa Iligan at nag-bonding sila, magkakaklase. Meron din tayong squid chicharon. Ayan. Maraming ganito. Doon din marami. So I want to taste this one. And of course, I'm craving of this one. So let's start the pastel muna. Yan. Guys, you can also visit their branch here in Iligan City, located near Capital College. Okay. Thank you, Tita Eleanor, for this. Ayan. Yung yema feeling talaga na. Hindi nagbago yung lasa. Masarap pa rin. Ano pa rin siya? Malaman. Very smooth. And let's also try this. Nag-crave talaga ako nito. It's a squid chicharon. There. So let's eat. Ayun o. Vandit. So yummy. Very crispy, hindi siya masyadong maalat. At, it's good for snacks talaga. Yummy. At meron din silang ano guys, calamansi juice. Sarap to.